Sorry.
He's on edge.
Turn it the other way. Stop.
Go.
Go. Don't kill yourself. Will, go.
The flame went out, dude.
Oh my god, that's
Oh my.
The other one. The fluid might be.
Don't put your head on top. Dude, cover it by the wind. Cover it by the wind. Yeah, wait.
Do you not know how to use the lighter?
Do it in the opposite direction of the wind.
Watch out.
Yeah, here.
No, everything's back. Woo!
Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Did you get that? Did you get that? Get down! Whoa, whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get that? Yeah!
Dude, this is so scary. There's cops pulled up because we were doing fireworks, guys. Oh my god. Bro, this is gonna be so many views.
Ian, man, is Ian here? Okay. Okay, well, Ian, someone gonna send this to you. Just saying, this is kind of actually scary, but not really. Shush. And we didn't know it was illegal to do fireworks.
Oh crap. He messed up big time. Just don't put your face against it, you idiot.
Oh my god.
There's
I don't know what they're
police cars.
talking about.
The most she can get is a ticket. She's not even gonna arrest.
Okay, she's not gonna get arrested.
Oh my god. Oh, there's police right there.
There's like
They're scouting the neighborhood.
I know, they're looking for all the fireworks. Because we left them all on the road. We didn't sweep.
We did.
Mm-mm.
We left all of them. What about the trash?
Yeah, all the trash. Because we have all the Roman candles
okay,
in the trash
they're
can.
going away, I think.
Oh.
She's coming inside. She's coming inside.
Okay. Oh my god.
I'm not sure if they're going away or not. Everybody quiet.
He only knows that Ian, Jason.
We shouldn't have.
Upstairs. Stay
Why?
Thank God. Thank God. Warning. We got let off.
Oh, we got a lot of
Warning.
Where's Caleb?
Warning.
Yo, what's up, man?
I lost you! I lost you!
Oh my god.
Send me the videos.
Yo, don't turn the lights on.
Send me
don't turn
the
lights on.
videos.
Oh my god, dude.
Send me the
I know you
videos.
guys
Oh my
can't
God.
see
Is this really
anything,
what you're gonna say?
but so much stuff just happened.
Wait, no. Cops are out there. You can't.
No one go.